How to flip selfie in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to flip selfie in iPhone. This is going to be a really quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is of course go to your photos and then go to the selfie that you want to flip. So for example, this one, once the photo is open, just tap on edit at the right top corner, tap on crop, and on the left top corner, you should see this icon to reverse it. And that's how easy it is to flip selfies in iPhone. Once you're done, just simply tap on done at the right top corner. And there you have it. As you can see, we have successfully flipped the photo. If you compare this one to the other one. But in order for you to avoid doing this, just make sure that your camera has the right settings. So let's go to settings. And from here, just simply scroll down and then go to camera. On here, just make sure you have mirror front camera on. So turn this on, and every time you take a selfie, it will no longer flip. And that ends our video for today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.